Malo tau mau he fia fin. He fia fitu site hogen. Oi, he fia monite hogen katak. Lolo ale ahu. Ai ya ui. Malele. Sup, Chi? Today, still working on the song. I think I'm gonna upload the song today, sometime today. So make sure you subscribe and yeah, for my next video. Just wanna give you guys a little demo on this song. Sorry, I have to restart it because something wrong with my laptop. So yeah. Shout out to everyone that are watching the video. Hello everyone, Madaw Lava. Finally I get to do a live video so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, but this is the new song. It will be uploaded sometime today, and the song is some part there is Samoan and some part is Tongan. So yeah, just make sure you hit that like button, and if you're watching this, you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to get this song. My next song after this one, it will be a Christmas song, another Christmas song. Hopefully it will be out before Christmas. So yeah. That's the chorus. On my next live, I'll make a beat and I'll process the whole song from start to finish. Hi McLean 247, King YT, what's up? Malo. Joseph, sorry I can't. There's a lot of. Oh man, there's someone comment. Hello Sani, thank you. There's Moni, Olati. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get this song. I'll be out soon. sometime today. Hello, Xiaomi. Yeah, I got your message. This is the part someone. All you guys are watching, hopefully you guys have a great Christmas this year. God bless you all, and thank you for subscribing my channel. And yeah, I will be continuing making music next year, and hopefully I will upload songs every week for you guys to enjoy. McLean, God bless you too. Sonny, Mad Course, thank you. Amini Ruki, Malo Toko. When I done upload the video, I'll make sure to watch this video right to the end, so I can I'll put a link at the end of the video for this song. Yeah. Does everyone gonna have a great Christmas this year? What up, Pese Lecking or DJ Pese? Hey, what up, DJ Pese? Hey everyone, make sure to check out DJ Pese's page. I think he's got some mix in there. So yeah, McLean, yeah, that was the best song, the Matematonga song. Rossi Kabuka, malo, Popo Mai. Also, this is one of my friend's song. He wrote it to his wife, I think, when the first time they met up and when they got married. So yeah. Sorry, my laptop is playing up. Shout out to Last King, aka Solicito Ibai. Solicito Ipo. Shout out to Preacher. Sorry, I can't read. I'm only good at music. I don't really read that much. Yeah, I know. Walking to McLean 247. Malo toko. I think I got some more beats in here that I just made today. There's a lot of beat here, but was there another shout out? Play Hiva. Sana, masih iya. Anak yang falling in love kan med Hiva. Oh, hey manusia mapapalangi. Hello. Hopefully you have a great day today. Mapapalangi, are you from New Zealand? Are you guys the one that run the restaurant? Halo testimoni koloti Sabtogo Madam Lava. This is my new song. I'll be uploaded sometime today or tonight. Probably right after this.
How are you gonna stay? Huh? Stay.
From my
Eh? Mapapalangi how me stay?
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you, McLean 247 for that. Same to you, brother. Shout out to Dance Nonu. Sorry if I don't pronounce her name right. Sani, you from Hawaii? Shout out to you, Sani. Tyson, 1, 2, 3, Madalava. Shout out to you. Happy New Year, my king.
Shout out.
Halo toh ya gimana? Simon.
Shout out to Fing.
Shout out to everyone. Thank you. Sup, Chef? Kaibaha. What up? This is my new song. I'll be out today, sometime today. Maybe later on today. I just need to make the video over and then upload it. Merry Xmas, Merry Christmas. Make sure to give a like on this video. I mean on this live right now. Yeah, check out my new song. Sunday. And a happy new year to you too. Matawange Yofefia as well. Merry Xmas, DJ Pese. Everyone, make sure you check out DJ Pese's page. Jason, I'm from New Zealand, in Auckland.
His name is Sonne.
Oh, Sione. Shout out to Samuel Apasi, Mataulama Togo, Salofa Ivel Samuel. Sone Mataele, Malo Taulama. Shout out to Togo. Eastside, hello. This is my new song, will be uploaded soon. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. So yeah. Thank you, DJ Pese. Malo, Eastside. Probably oh really? You from Mangry? Yeah, I'm from GI. The name of the song will be Tahine Samoa. So it's my friend, he married to Samoan girl, so he wrote this song to his wife. Malo, Jeff. Hey Pohilani, you from GI as well? Make sure to holler at the brother when you see him around, eh? Thanks, McLean. Sunday, the Tahine Tonga song will be next year. I'll make a song to it. See that one. I had some reggae song. Is this a song? Sorry, I'm just uploading another. I'm not sure if it's a song or a beat. Oh, sorry. Mount Wellington. Oh, yeah. So GI and then Pemu and then Mount Wellington. Why is that? You have a family over there? Eastside. Oh, this song will be out today, sometime today. So make sure you look out for my channel when I upload. Make sure you subscribe so you can. Your notification is on as well, so you know when the song is up. Do I know DJ Noise? Yes. Oh no, but I heard a lot of mix by DJ Noise. I think he's from New Zealand, but he's a good DJ. I love his mix, and yeah. Tasting 1, 2, 3. Oh, you live in Mount Wellington as well? Okay. Nice. Are you a girl or boy? Malo, Willie Vea. Thanks for the support. Sane. Yeah, of course, everything is for free in my channel. So you're welcome to download any song you like. You don't need any copyrights from me. Yeah, I already told YouTube about that. So you're welcome to download my songs for free. And it's for free all the way till when I get old. Oh. I think I got another beat here. It was long while ago. I can't remember this beat, but probably I'll make some song to it. If you know any topic about this beat, or even if you know how to write lyrics, just write it down below so I can make a beat and I'll write a song to it. I mean, I'll write your song to it. Yeah. Also, if you need a beat, you just tell me what kind of beat you want to make. You want it reggae, R&B, hip hop, techno, any kind of beat. I'm happy to do it for you. Or even if you had a song that you want me to write a song, or that you want me to sing it or record it, just make sure you comment down below. Million likes. Thanks, Anne. Yeah, this is a reggae beat. Maybe I'm gonna write a song to it later on. Youths, this beat. What's up, Toko? And it's the beat there. I'll see if I have any more beats. BG Gang. Reggaeton. What's this one? It's not even a complete beat. But anywho, thank you everyone for viewing this live. I'll be live again probably tomorrow morning. Gonna work on another song. Trying to make a cover of that Little Trum. Is it Little Trum?
The little drummer.
Little Trum Boy? Or Little Boy Drum? If you guys know their song, yeah, I think it's the something like that. Yeah, it's gonna be a reggae song. I wanna make my own version of it. I don't know if it will be a Tongan song or just record the original. But yeah, anywho, thanks for watching. Gonna let you guys go and do something useful rather than watch this stupid video. But yeah, just make sure you guys hang around for this song to be uploaded. Hey Linda, oh sorry, I gotta go. I gotta finish off the song so I can upload it for you guys to have a little tata ulu to it. So yeah, thank you everyone. Later Toko, thank you for watching. Later everyone, see ya. Mala Samuela, Pasi. Bye Linda, see ya. Bye. Everyone's still commenting and say bye. Bye. Bye Toko, bye. Oh, bye Toko. Bye sis, bye. Little dogs. DJ Now, peace of atu. And Talofalava, Manguifa Fitai.